Tax evaders, this ad is not for you. Such a line in a print ad is bound to catch eyeballs. And when it's published in the Economic Times, 3 days before Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents the annual budget, February 1, 2021, it will generate tons of conversations. Cred, a very popular financial technology startup, has rolled out a rather interesting chance for users to win back their FY 2019-20 income tax payment. Let's see what you need to do to win 100% of their FY 2019-20 income tax. If you are seeing this channel for first time, I recommend to hit that subscribe button. What all need to do is to install and register your Cred app from the link below in YouTube description box. Cred says that any user on the platform with a good credit score is eligible to take part in this offer. The credit card payment platform for individuals with a good credit score wants users to make a credit card payment on February 1st, during the budget day in Parliament. One lucky winner will be eligible for a reward that is equal to 100% of their FY 2019-20 income tax, up to a maximum of 1 million Indian rupees. That is, one winner out of all Cred users. I just repeat, that is, one winner out of all Cred users who will actually pay their credit card bills during that window. The way this works is that you need to head to the My Money section in the Cred app on your Apple iPhone or Android phone and select the Credit Score tab. The Cred app will be able to collect your credit worthiness score from Experian and CRI credit bureaus. Anyone with a score higher than 750 will be eligible for this offer. Then, you need to pay any credit card bill via your Cred app, using either UPI or net banking as the payment method, to be eligible for the luck of the draw. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.